Welcome to Law Logical, your go-to source for all things legal. We're about to embark on an enlightening journey, exploring a topic that holds significant relevance in our society: the rights of senior citizens, as outlined by Indian family law. As we age, we all become part of the senior community, and therefore, gaining an understanding of these rights is crucial for each and every one of us. These rights, enshrined in our legal system, are not just mere words on paper. They play a pivotal role in shaping the everyday life of our elder generation, ensuring their safety, dignity, and welfare. They are the pillars that uphold the respect and care due to our seniors. In the next few minutes, we're going to delve deep into these rights, dissecting them, understanding their implications, and how they can be enforced. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into this important matter. The Indian Constitution, while not explicitly mentioning senior citizens, provides them with certain rights through various provisions. This is the bedrock upon which other specific rights for our elders are built. Let's delve into these basic rights. First off, we have the right to equality, safeguarded under Articles 14 to 18 of the Constitution. This ensures that senior citizens are not discriminated against on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. It is a guarantee that every senior citizen stands equal before the law. Next, we have the right to life and personal liberty, enshrined in Article 21. This is a broad right encompassing a range of sub-rights. It guarantees the right to live with human dignity, free from exploitation. It also protects the right to health, ensuring that senior citizens have access to medical care and treatment. This right is not merely about existence, it's about living a life of quality and dignity regardless of age. Another crucial right is the right against exploitation, protected under Articles 23 and 24. This prohibits all forms of forced labor and ensures that senior citizens cannot be compelled to work beyond their capacity or against their will. However, it's important to remember that these rights aren't absolute. They come with reasonable restrictions to maintain public order, morality, and health. This is a balancing act, ensuring individual rights while preserving the greater good. The Indian judiciary has played a significant role in interpreting and expanding these rights in the context of senior citizens. For instance, the right to life and personal liberty has been expansively interpreted to include the right to live with dignity, which has implications for the care and treatment of the elderly. So, while the Constitution doesn't explicitly mention senior citizens, it most certainly has provisions that protect and uphold their rights. This forms a solid foundation, a strong starting point from which other specific rights for senior citizens are built and expanded upon. These basic rights form the foundation of other specific rights granted to senior citizens. They serve as a reminder that our elders are not just beneficiaries of care and compassion, but bearers of rights that need to be respected and upheld by all. The Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 2007 is a significant piece of legislation concerning the rights of senior citizens. Now, let's delve into the crux of this act. It was primarily enacted with the objective of providing more effective provisions for the maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens. This was achieved by making it a legal obligation for children and relatives to take care of their elderly. But what does this maintenance include? It's not just about financial support. The Act broadly defines maintenance as provisions for food, clothing, residence, medical attendance, and treatment. So it extends beyond the realms of monetary assistance, ensuring the overall well-being of senior citizens. One of the key aspects of the Act is that it extends the responsibility not just to biological children, but also to heirs who are in possession of the property of parents or senior citizens. This means if a senior citizen has transferred their property to an heir on the condition that the heir would provide for their needs and such promise is not fulfilled, the senior citizen has the right to claim maintenance. And it doesn't stop there. The Act also makes provisions for the establishment of old age homes in every district. These homes are meant to provide a safe haven for senior citizens who are unable to maintain themselves and have no one to depend on. Furthermore, the Act empowers the government to establish tribunals for the speedy and effective decision of disputes and claims related to maintenance. It also provides for the punishment of those who abandon their parents or senior citizens, making such action a punishable offense. In essence, this act goes beyond just legalities. It is about instilling a sense of responsibility and respect towards our elders. It's about ensuring that they lead a life of dignity and security in their twilight years. This act is a crucial tool in ensuring the welfare and protection of senior citizens. In addition to the 2007 Act, there are other legal provisions that protect the rights of senior citizens. Let's start with the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act of 1956. This act is not exclusively for senior citizens. It covers a wide array of familial relationships. However, it plays a crucial role in securing the rights of senior citizens. It obliges children, both sons and daughters, to maintain their aged parents. The act emphasizes that it is not just a moral duty, but a legal obligation for children to look after their parents in their old age. Shifting gears, let's delve into the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973. This law might not seem like it has much to do with senior citizens at first glance, but it's important to remember that law is like a jigsaw puzzle. Every piece has its place. Section 125 of this code makes it mandatory for individuals with sufficient means to maintain their parents incapable of maintaining themselves. If they fail to do so, they could face legal consequences. This provision is not restricted by religion or personal laws and applies uniformly to all citizens. These laws, though not exclusively designed for senior citizens, play a vital role in protecting their rights. They ensure that senior citizens are not left to fend for themselves, emphasizing the responsibility of the younger generation towards them. It's also important to note that these laws are not the final word on the subject. The Indian legal system is a living, breathing entity that continues to evolve. New laws can be introduced and existing ones can be amended as society changes and develops. In conclusion, the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 2007, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, 1956, and the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, are some of the significant legal provisions that secure the rights of senior citizens, ensuring their well-being and protection. These legal provisions further reinforce the rights of senior citizens. Knowing your rights is one thing, enforcing them is another. So true, isn't it? Well, let's dive into some practical steps that senior citizens can take to enforce their rights. First off, filing a complaint. If you're a senior citizen who's experiencing neglect or abuse, don't hesitate to file a complaint with the local police station. This is your right and it's crucial to exercise it. The law is there to protect you and the police are bound by duty to investigate your claim. Next, let's talk about seeking legal help. It's important to understand that you're not alone in this journey. There are numerous lawyers and legal aid societies that are ready to assist you, often free of charge, in understanding and enforcing your rights. They can help you navigate through the legal system, which can sometimes feel like a maze. Additionally, the power of community cannot be understated. There are many senior citizen organizations that offer support, guidance, and resources. They can assist you with everything from legal paperwork to emotional support. Don't hesitate to reach out to these groups. They're there to help. And let's not forget about senior citizen helplines. These are toll-free numbers that you can call anytime, day or night, to report any form of abuse or neglect. The helpline staff are trained to handle these situations and can provide immediate assistance. Moreover, it's also important to spread awareness. Talk to your friends, relatives, and neighbors about your rights. You never know who might benefit from this knowledge. Lastly, remember to stay persistent. The journey to enforce your rights might not always be smooth, but it's one worth taking. It's about upholding your dignity and ensuring your well-being. Remember, knowing your rights is the first step towards protecting them. So, keep learning, keep enforcing, and most importantly, keep standing up for yourself. Because you matter, your rights matter, and they are worth protecting. We hope this video has helped you understand the rights of senior citizens as per Indian family law. We've journeyed through the basic rights of senior citizens, delved into the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act of 2007, and explored other legal provisions that safeguard the rights of our elders. Additionally, we've outlined the steps needed to enforce these rights, ensuring their protection and welfare. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we know about these rights, the better equipped we are to ensure their enforcement and spread awareness. It's our collective responsibility to uphold the dignity and respect of our senior citizens. So let's use this information to make a positive impact in our society. Thank you for your time and continuous support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet, do subscribe to Law Logical for more such informative content.